Good luck with that there, Emily. Take a look at this, and hopefully your road race not up there in central and western Maryland, because take a look. Sidling Hill, I-68 travels north and west. You headed up to Pittsburgh today? Yep, that's what you're going to be dealing with. Oh, man, it is coming down. So a much different picture as you make that move up there north and west into the mountains, Appalachians, and the Blue Ridge. We've had some reports of up to 2 to 4 inches of snow an hour here across the mountains, and it's making a quick change now. Here in Baltimore, surrounding areas, we're under a winter weather advisory. The rain really coming down. Winter storm warnings north and west of that across northern Baltimore County, Carroll County. That's going to go until 6 p.m. This afternoon and this evening. Taking a look at the radar. Man, it is just pouring out there. There's that snow line. We were promising you it would finally start collapsing southbound with the heavier precipitation. That's exactly what's happening up there, Gaithersburg, Frederick. We're starting to see the snow mix in. HD radar here in the city, it actually looks like it's just primarily kind of a soaking rain at this point, but you get north and west. Look at Westminster. You're snowing heavy right now. So accumulation may ensue very quickly. Union Bridge, it's rain and snow mixed. Down to Eldersburg, it's primarily rain, but you'll change to snow. Even now showing up here in northwestern Hartford, where we're expecting some of those greater totals. Snow starting to mix in here in the blue across the Hereford zone in North Baltimore County up to New Freedom, PA. Looks like change over to mainly snow situation, and it's rain down towards the Bay Bridge. So taking a look at the HD radar, kind of a wide scope here. There's, again, a stationary boundary brought in the colder air of the past 24 hours. Now low pressure is forming over that, and although it is rain to start across a lot of areas, you saw there on that traffic cam I showed you, the snow is quickly taking over. So it looks like here in the city, area south and east, not a whole lot in the way of accumulation, at least from 95 south and east. Now, North Baltimore is a different story. Place like Hamden, Roland Park, up to the Towson line, could see about 1 to 3 inches of snow. That's mainly going to be on your grassy surfaces after the changeover. And then into the evening, it could be 3 to 6 inches of snow here in this lighter blue area. That encompasses most of the areas north and west of the Beltway. That could be road problems, locally up to 8 inches up toward the state line. So a coastal storm this time of year, you really have to watch it. Enough cold air gets involved. This is what you get, and it's on a very busy travel day. 41 degrees here in Baltimore right now. Winds out of the northeast at 6. Humidity high, of course. No big surprise, 89%. Let's plan it out hour by hour for you. All the way through that 9 a.m. hour, we'll see the snow line continue to move southbound right around Cockeysville by about 9:30. And it's a quick move across the city. It looks like by about maybe 11 o'clock in the morning, noontime, we're seeing snow now falling in the city. Even the water areas could mix in with snow from time to time. But again, I think most accumulations relegated north and west of I-95. I think by noontime, this is how that rain-snow line plays out. The area in green and blue, that's the rain-snow line. North and west of that, Westminster, Cockeysville for lunch. Columbia, snow coming down hard and heavy. North Baltimore could see some snow as well. Then down towards the water, still raining. 2 p.m. kids are getting off of school. They may be getting off early because of this stuff. You may be heading out on that Thanksgiving travel. You're still talking about that rain-snow line straddling right across the city. North and west of about I-95, the accumulations will start piling up quicker and quicker, especially north and west of the Beltway. 6:45, we're talking about after sunset. Here's where you have to watch because roads may start to freeze. Even if you have just rain, it looks like things may refreeze overnight. And then it wraps up by, say, about 7, 8 o'clock tonight. And if you're thinking ahead to tomorrow for Thanksgiving, we'll call it cold turkey out there with those temperatures going to have a hard time getting anywhere out of the 30s to around 40 degrees. Quick look at that forecast. I'm going to pop it down for you here. You'll see that we're going to start with those temperatures at 32 at 9 a.m., 38 at noon. 38 at 5 p.m. sitting down to dinner. Maybe a flurry here or there. Again, a cold overnight. Ice possible tomorrow morning. Black ice. A flurry for Thursday. And then better for Black Friday.